Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Mike Kollin at crackthefemalcode.com. And Primal Seduction. There's a Primal Seduction code that's hardwired and built into the female's mating system. I'm an elite dating and relationship coach. I'm certified in NLP, that's Neuro-Linguistic Programming, Ericksonian Hypnosis, Timeline Therapy, Reiki, Huna, Pranic Healing, NAC, Neurosocial Conditioning, and something called HNLP, Humanistic Neuro-Linguistic Programming. I also studied psychology at Arizona State. I'm a human behaviorist and I've studied over 300 books on human behavior, psychology, NLP, hypnosis, timeline therapy, and a whole slew of other books based on human behavior and human sexuality. How to make the woman you love sexually obsessed with you, fall in love with you, and chase you. There's a primal DNA code that I will show you. Okay, real quick, got a quick notice here. We do have a training, actually 2 trainings coming up in September out here in California, in the Bay Area, in San Rafael, California. Also, one-on-one coaching has opened up. We have some slots. I'm making this August 23rd, but you're probably going to get this around September 5th or so. So we do have openings at the end of August, which is right now, and also going into September. So get them while you can. Number 1, go to crackthefemalcode.com and buy my book, Crack the Female Code. It is a requirement before taking my one-on-one coaching or attending the trainings. This is the most powerful form of seduction on the planet. There is nothing like this. I promise you, every single person... See, I've been doing this for 30 years. I started teaching this when I was in my 20s. I went to my first NLP training when I was 19 years old while I was studying psychology. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start uploading some testimonials from my old channel, my old YouTube channel. The reason why I made this channel is because that channel started getting convoluted with personal development and women's issues and all this stuff. So I had like a group of people. It kind of didn't work for everyone. So this channel is going to be focused just for men. Okay, that's it. So we've got Adam coming up in the testimonial. We're going to have a lot of videos from Adam. And if I can find the other ones... I'm having a hard time finding them on my other channel. If I can find the other ones, I'll upload those too. Alright, that's it. Here's Adam. Oh, by the way, Adam actually flew out from London after reading my book, Cracked Female Code. One thing I want to mention is Adam had told me that he had been flying around the world from Las Vegas to San Diego to all over Europe, taking everyone's course from mysteries to etc., etc. When he took my course, the light bulb went on. He flat out said my course was the best course by hands down than any other course he's ever taken. A lot of people will tell me, I wish I would have read your book first before any other book out there. From England, London.
London.
All right, so far, we're about 2/3 through the course. What do you think about it?
Oh, it's awesome, man. I'm learning all about it. I went through some really deep hypnotic states.
Right.
I realized like how to internalize.
Right.
So I felt really good.
So what did you say about my course overall?
I said it was awesome. Yeah, you are a genius because of learning about neuro-linguistic programming, hypnosis.
What about the stuff that I created, the male to female communication stuff?
Yeah, that's getting me to understand about a new language.
Right. So you've let me know overall you've actually taken quite a lot of other courses over the years and read a lot of books.
Yeah.
How does my course compare to those? And he's taken some of the top in the world, some of the top people. In comparison to those, go from there.
I mean, it's given me it's like the Matrix of pussy. Because, you're understanding how to communicate on a much, much deeper level.
Would you say the other courses did that for you?
Not at this level, no.
Not even close.
Because you've just got lines and stuff. Well, this is actually a way of formulating language.
Right. Would you say that there's go ahead, I'm sorry.
And internal states, where if I switch a state on and I put language together,
right,
then it makes me a seductive machine.
Yeah, it makes it a lot faster and easier. Yeah. So I want to talk about when you, in the beginning of the course, you literally thought I was crazy, huh?
I thought you were mad.
because what I was teaching was so foreign and so odd and strange. Like, there's no way. You're just like, this is weird, huh?
Yep.
So now that we got more of the pieces put together, what did you say after that? You said it's brilliant.
This stuff is genius.
That's what you said. This stuff is genius. Oh, hold on. In the beginning, it didn't make any sense at all, did it?
No, not at all.
And how many times did I almost yell? Have some faith. I yelled. I did. I'm a pretty tough coach, huh?
Yeah, you're tough.
And I was like, have some faith.
You did.
We're putting now. By the time last night, you literally said, "This is what."
This is genius.
Yes. So now is it like you're seeing the light, like the light bulb went on?
I'm just seeing things completely differently in terms of language.
Say a little bit louder.
In terms of language, the way that I feel internally, the way I approach, because a lot of it's about the internal state, the way you feel inside,
right,
to communicate on the outside,
right,
which I think is revolutionary.
We're in. Okay, so now here's the deal. Adam came to me, so this is, I believe, his second time he flew out. The first time it was so kind of challenging for his brain, he didn't really put into it. When he went back to London, all of a sudden everything shifted and changed. He said, hey, I'm really sorry, I apologize, I didn't take your course seriously, can I come back out and do it again? So he comes back out, and one of the things that he had a challenge with was, he said, I have a really hard time approaching women that I've never met before, etc., etc. So I actually did a hypnosis intervention at the hotel, and we went out, and it's long story short, I connected something that made him hungry, that made him go after what he wanted. Believe it or not, it was actually food. It was a hamburger. So I elicited the state, and we connected that to when he saw a woman that he was really attracted to, boom, he would automatically go after her. And Adam did it while we're out here doing this interview, and it blew my mind because he literally just walked away without saying a word. It was just like instant. One thing you have to understand, he had an absolute it was absolutely terrifying for him to do. He's just like, he wouldn't do it. He completely changed, boom, just like that. Towards the end of this short video, you're going to see a segment where I actually have Adam hypnotized, and I just hypnotized him to laughter. So you'll see it. It's towards the end. We're at a hotel here, and Adam right there is talking to a girl. And we, I don't want to be too obvious about it, right there. And I just did this hypnotic NLP thing that made it uncontrollable to approach people. And we walked in, and I talked to the girl at the counter here for just a moment, and boom, he was gone. He's had this issue of being terrified, absolutely terrified of approaching people, women especially, because he feels, I don't have permission, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to go too in detail, but I think it's very interesting that there he is. Here, I got to pull away. I don't want her to see me recording. All right, so here's some delicious food, and it had to do with deliciousness, and we'll talk later, but I don't really like recording like that because I think it's kind of unfair. So there he is, just talking. Basically, Adam was telling me how he was terrified of, he felt like, well, I don't have permission to talk to him. I go, what, you feel like you need like a legal binding contract or something? He goes, well, yeah. So we just finished it about 5 minutes ago. I said, why don't we go upstairs and talk to some people? And boom, there he is. By the way, I wanted to ask you something. Do you like this wood?
I do. It's good wood, man.
Take a look at the wood. But you're not hypnotized, are you?
You may have triggered a few staves.
Well, let's look at the wood. Is there anything special about the wood? I don't want you to imagine the first time you looked at the wood and started laughing now. No, I do not hypnotize people. I put them in. So let me ask you a question. Would you say you've been happier than you've been in a long time?
I felt some pretty high states, man. I'm crying, dude.
Now do you see why I love my job?
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is Adam White, and he's from Great Britain. Is there anything you want to say? Anything at all? Anything at all?
Hey, it's been awesome, dude, and I can't wait to go back to London and see what I can do with this stuff.
Yes. All right. there you have it. You can change your life in a matter of weeks to months. It won't take long. It's going to take some dedication. It's going to take some time. We might have to do some NLP hypnosis intervention to shift things around, but you can absolutely 100% change your life, your dating life, your relationship life, your personal life. Number 1, buy my book, Crack the Female Code, right now. Go to crackthefemalecode.com. Read it before you come in for the training or the one-on-one coaching. Get a hold of me right now. These are going to be discounted trainings in September and only September. That's it, guys. Remember, click subscribe, click the like button, go ahead and make a comment. Go to my website at crackthefemalecode.com or seductionpower.com. Hey, let's make this happen. Get your butt in here for one-on-one coaching, a 6-day training. If you live in the Bay Area, we can divide it up a little bit, or we can do it from day 1 through day 6, however you want to set it up. This course will change your life. It's unlike any other course you've ever taken. I'm a personal development coach, life coach. I'm certified in NLP and NLP Trainer, Master Hypnotherapist, Timeline Therapist, etc., etc. You can make changes, whether it's fears, phobias, personal development, meeting women, seducing women, attracting women. It is all done here. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Remember, go to crackthefemalecode.com right now and buy my book, Crack the Female Code.